Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video we are just going to take an objective trader focused look at an expert advisor called Orion Gold Scalper expert advisor. All right, so this expert advisor is unavailable on the MQL5 marketplace. Actually, I checked the marketplace and couldn't find it there, but I was able to get access to the file. All right, so I was able to download the expert advisor file, the version 4.0. You can see Orion Gold Scalper. So I have already run the test on this expert advisor, and we are going to just be looking at that very briefly. Okay, so this expert advisor is designed to trade gold. All right, and the information concerning the EA reveals that the strategy is built around automated scalp trading on lower time frames. Okay, so one of the appeals of gold in scalping strategies, is that it has high liquidity and volatility and a safe haven status. So for those who, are not comfortable with trading gold, these are just a few appeals with trading gold. And by the way, the expert advisor does the job for you. So whether you are a fan of gold or not, so long as the expert advisor is able to do the heavy lifting for you, then probably it's no big deal, unless if the strategy turns out not to be profitable, right? So the Orion Gold Scalper is a trading system that is designed to take advantage of short-term price fluctuations in gold. Okay, and it relies on advanced technical analysis, rapid decision making, and automated or semi-automated tools to execute trades. In a moment now, we are just going to be reviewing the test results that I got from backtesting the Orion Gold Scalper version 4 expert advisor on gold on the H1 time frame. And of course, I used the every tick modeling, and the backtest was done over the past 3 months. So I just backtested it over a 3-month duration. Okay, so for context, this backtest was done using the default settings, and I always recommend running your own long-term historical tests across different time frames and market conditions so that you can gain a complete understanding of how any tool behaves before considering live development, right? Sorry, live deployment, I mean. Okay, so the report shows us that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was negative 9,948.53. So the account was almost blown. This is not impressive at all. This is disappointing, right? This is actually disappointing. So the total trades taken were 1,519, and out of that, only 1,004. Well, why did I say only there? Actually, most of the trades were profitable. We have 1,445 being profitable, 95.13% win rate. But it's quite sad that despite such a high win rate, the account still got blown. Why? Because of poor risk management. We can see that the risk management is extremely poor. Extremely poor. The average profit was just $3.50, but the average loss was a whooping $202.78. The difference is so much. The difference is so much. So it's not surprising that despite such a high win rate, the account still got almost blown. Looking closer at the breakdown, the win rate appears exceptionally high. I It's just so sad that risk to reward ratio was not really considered. So from a trader's perspective, this asymmetric risk profile explains the overall outcome. While a 95% win rate sounds impressive, accumulating small profits without enforcing a strict, tight, hard stop loss leaves the account vulnerable. So when gold enters a strong, sustained trend without pulling back, holding losing trades open until a large exit is forced ultimately, offsets gains and impacts total balance. Now, it is vital to remember that historical testing results are heavily influenced by factor variables such as the spread conditions, the broker execution, slippage, lot sizing, and parameter optimization. Okay, past testing behavior should never be taken as a guarantee of future live market performance. Now, looking at the maximal consecutive profit, the maximal consecutive profit was 8,445. So what that means is that the whole 1,445 trades seem to happen consecutively, and that generated only $5,057.5. But you will see that the maximum consecutive losses were 74, and that gave over $15,000 in loss. So the entire profit was lost plus majority of the initial deposit. Now, to wrap up this review, Orion Gold Scalper version 4.0 offers an automated approach to lower time frame gold trading with a high frequency of winning trades. However, based on the historical testing observed, the risk to reward ratio and the drawdown characteristics require careful consideration and strict risk management. We can see that, just like we saw in the report of the consecutive wins and losses, looking at the graph, you would see that the balance was actually growing, at some point, but you will see that the equity was always below the balance. So despite the balance growing, there was always floating loss. So it seems like the EA was closing some trades in profit, while overall there was a net loss floating. So the equity seems to be rising at some point, but the balance was rising steadily. The equity was rising at some point, and then the equity started declining until finally the losses had to be closed, and then the balance just dropped sharply. So this expert advisor may only be suited for experienced traders who thoroughly understand how to optimize dynamic stop parameters and manage risk exposure on volatile assets like gold. As always, I strongly encourage you to download the demo version, run your own back tests and conduct thorough testing on a demo account before risking real capital. But so far this does not really look like a promising expert advisor, so it's not something I'm going to recommend. But if you are still wanting to give it a try, I will recommend that if you download the expert advisors file and you test it, you should actually still forward test on a demo account first, and always be comfortable. Whatever expert advisor that you are interested in, always be comfortable with the results you see before you even attempt to use it on a live account. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.